Charu, you can take paper. Thank you. Shall I distribute? Yes. Okay. So 4 papers are there. For you to keep it. For you too. Okay. Thank you, Akka. Welcome.
Okay, this is the first step.
We are eagerly waiting for your boat. This is second step. Yes. Third step. We don't need this.
Okay. Okay, the boat is going to sail now.
It's a small boat, I think so. Yes, Anirudh? I'm correct? Oh. Anirudh boat is ready now. It's a pink boat. I have finished my boat.
Wow, very nice.
See how many boats are there.
Boat is not floating.
It's floating.
Floating. Okay, what is that in your hands? What is that in your hands?
What?
In another hand?
Umbrella.
Okay. For what we use umbrella?
For saving us from rain.
Okay.